In the realm of technology, the revolution is seldom silent. It roars, it thunders, it shakes the very fabric of our digital lives. And one such thunderous roar is the revolutionary mixed reality headset, the Vision Pro. A brainchild of Apple, the Vision Pro is a marvel of modern technology, an epitome of the seamless blend between reality and the digital world. At the heart of the Vision Pro are the 4K micro-OLED displays. Each eye is treated to its own 4K display, together boasting a staggering 23 million pixels. This feature ensures an unparalleled visual experience, bringing virtual reality to life with crystal-clear sharpness and vibrant hues. Equally noteworthy is the precise eye tracking system. It employs high-speed cameras and LEDs to project invisible light patterns onto the user's eyes. This high-performance system ensures accurate tracking of eye movements, providing an immersive and interactive experience that's second to none. The Vision Pro also boasts of spatial audio, a feature that adds depth and realism to conversations. It places each person's voice in the location of their tile, making interactions feel more natural and lifelike. But what truly sets the Vision Pro apart is its digital avatar feature. Using artificial intelligence, the Vision Pro captures the look and feel of your face to create a virtual avatar. This 3D rendered face is your digital persona, allowing others to see you even when you're immersed in the virtual world. The Vision Pro is packed with more than a dozen cameras, 5 sensors, 6 microphones, and the powerful M2 chip. These features work in harmony to provide 3D photo and video capture, optic ID iris scanning, intuitive hand gesture control, and a host of other capabilities. A unique feature of the Vision Pro is its rotating crown that allows users to increase or decrease the immersiveness of their experience. The seemingly transparent display and the external battery with a 2-hour life are other highlights that contribute to the headset's unique appeal. Summing up, the Vision Pro is more than just a mixed reality headset. It's a revolution, a seismic shift in the way we interact with the digital world. It's a testament to the power of technology and human ingenuity. With its array of unique features and benefits, the Vision Pro is indeed a game-changer, a harbinger of a future where the line between reality and the virtual world becomes increasingly blurred. The Vision Pro is not just about experiencing the virtual world, it's about living it. It's about embodying your digital persona and exploring new realities. It's about breaking the barriers of the physical and the digital, and stepping into a world where the impossible becomes possible. So, gear up for a future where reality is just the beginning, and the rest is the Vision Pro.